Hi, we are from svsembedded. The project title name is IoT based automated paralysis patient healthcare monitoring system using Arduino Mega 2.60 and GPRS modem SIM 800C. So in this project we are using IoT web page, PHP, MySQLDB, HTTP, HTML, SMS alert and email alert. And here in this project we are using one 5 volts power supply module, 0 to 9 volts adapter and 5 volts power supply module, and 80 mega 2.60 board we are using, and LM35 temperature sensor connected to the ADC0, body fault detection sensor connected to the ADC8 and ADC9, and ECG sensor connected to the ADC3, GPRS modem SIM 800C connected to the RX-TX0 and 3, RX3 and TX3, and 16 cross 2 LCD display connected with the RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, flux sensor 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 flux sensors connected with ADC4, ADC5, ADC6 and ADC7, and APR33A3 voice record and playback IC connected with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, APR33A3 and 8 ohm speaker. And we have a voice output like I need food, water, food, fresh air, washroom and help. So these are the output voice alerts. So here we are using one temperature sensor, ECG sensor, fault detection sensor, and it should be shown the temperature, okay, ECG value and fault detection and date and time. Okay, so let us coming into the hardware. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it should be connected to the bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, one LED, one power supply for the Arduino and APR33A3, another power supply for the temperature sensor, 16 cross 2 LCD display, and GSM ESP ECG module and fault detection sensor. So here we are using one GSM SIM 800C. You can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card. Press it, it will come outside. Okay, the cut should be always outside. So press it, it will go inside. Press it, it will come outside. Okay, so you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. Okay, press it, it will go inside. GPRS modem SIM 800C. So here we are using one APR33A3 voice recorder and playback IC and 8 ohm speaker. Let's start power supply. Okay, here is the reset button, onboard reset button. IoT based automated paralytic patient healthcare monitoring, LM35 temperature sensor, 16 cross 2 LCD display and ECG module, and ADXL335 fault detection. So APR33A3 voice recorder and playback, 8 ohm speaker, GPRS2, GPRS main. Okay, so here this is our web page. Go to main page. Okay, HTTP to IoT page enable. Okay, so now normal fingers, T for temperature, E for ECG, X coordinate value, Y coordinate value, normal. Okay, now the data is coming. Okay, so now I am increasing the temperature using doop stick. Temperature 47. Okay, normal fingers, temperature 48, GPRS sending. Send completed. Okay, now it will update whatever the temperature value, it will update to the server. Yeah, temperature data updated. Okay, time is 11:14. So time is 11:14. Time is 11:14. Okay, temperature value updated. Okay, sending SMS1, SMS2. SMS1 is student number. Now, okay, temperature alert came 11:14. Time is 11:14. Okay, so fault detection. Suppose back left fallen. Okay, I am bending the kit. Okay, one side, left fallen, send completed. Okay, this is back right fallen, left fallen. Okay, Now back fallen like front fallen, like that you can send. Okay, send SMS, send server sent completed. Fall detection yes. 11:15. Go to main page. Fall detection yes. Temperature is decreased. Okay, fall detection yes. Left fallen, SMS came. Okay, left fallen. Okay, so here power supply board, GPRS, GSM SIM 800C, LM35 temperature sensor, 16 cross 2 LCD display, speaker. Now 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger, flux sensor 1, flux sensor 2, flux sensor 3, flux sensor 4. So now I am bending the flux sensor 1. Okay, flux sensor 1 bending. Water. So we will get the SMS altogether. Okay, I need water, the SMS will come. Sending SMS to, message sent. Okay, SMS 2 came. Okay, so now I am going to bend second finger. Okay, so this is please it is very diplomatic, means highly sensitive. Okay, use normal. Okay, food. So these are original flux sensors, use carefully. Okay, if anybody will change, we won't get the data. Okay, I need food. Okay, and third bending, fresh air, fresh air, fresh air, fresh air. Okay, otherwise you can change as per your requirement. This is the cable, you can change the voice alerts. Okay, so this is already uploaded into the YouTube video, APR33A3, how to upload the voice into the voice module. Okay, so this is our fourth finger bending. One 192 bending. Water. Help. Okay, now it is sending SMS alert, help, please help me. Power supply board, GSM SIM 800C and Adreno Mega 2.60 board, 16 cross 2 LCD display. Okay, ECG module and right fallen. Right fallen. Time 11:19. Right fallen came. 11:19 updated. 11:19. Fall equal to yes. Temperature increasing. Okay, GPRS sending. Temperature data should be updated. 47. Send completed. Action sent. Okay, updated. So I already did with the water, food, fresh air, washroom, then help. Sending SMS alert. over temperature 47, power off, then power on. IoT based paralysis patient healthcare monitoring system. HTTP to GPRS is enabled. Okay, so now I am bending first finger, water,